Gold and silver traded with modest bearishness yesterday, where we have also seen the bearishness getting diminished since last 3 days. And yesterday we have seen it trading in range. Specifically, the gold has struggled to break on the upside above 26, 24, 26 zone, while on the downside 26.45 or 26.4 to 6 levels have proven out to be a greater support. Likewise with silver, on the upside it has struggled at 30.80, while on the downside 30.40, 30.20 zone is still a greater support. What to expect today? We have the inflation data coming in from US. That is going to be the definitely decision maker or decisive factor for the day. How to profit, where to enter, where to exit, everything we're gonna see with the help of detailed time frame analysis on charts, and try to find out what is going to be our strategy in order to profit. This is the first update for the day. Next update will be released before the US session, before the data releases. Do not miss to watch that. Just subscribe and press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. If you look at the formation in gold, first minor drop, then sideways movement, then again a drop, then sideways movement, again a drop, and sideways movement. Now this suggests that it should continue with this drop here. So if you see gold today below 26.0406 zone and then below 2600, do not think of buying gold. Very clear. If you see it is staying below 26.0406, that is the first target below which you can take a selling entry. Expect 2600, and if 2600 is taken, we can stay short. What we are looking at, 2590, 2580. But remember, it is always not necessary that it is going to deliver this third leg. If it breaks beyond 26, 24, 26, we can say the reversal should be seen, which can take the prices towards 26.40, which is going to be a major hurdle for it to break past by. The stochastic at top, MACD has crossed over here and it is trying to rise. RSI is comfortable coming to 2. What is happening on the 2-hour chart? See, prices are trading with divergence from the 20 period. It is again getting the resistance from the 20 period. And in fact, today, if you see gold trading about 26.18 levels, you can initiate a buying entry here itself. Expect it to keep moving towards 26.24, 25 levels, first resistance, and then it can try to break towards 26.30 or in fact 26.40 levels. Possibility is there that it can show you little swing, because see, the magnitude here was greater and thus it requires for it to retrace a little towards this before reversing. Stochastic is rising, and also see the MACD has hit the lows here and just crossed over 2 candles away. Possibility exists that we may see it rising, we may see it retracing. RSI is comfortable near to the bottom, and on the 3, likewise on the 3-hour chart, see, right now the movement is consolidated or confined within the box, which means it has to come out of this box in order to take a direction. What is happening here? You can see these 3 candles consolidation, and there is a reversal sign as well. Now post reversal, first bullish candle, I will wait for the next candle to appear. If it stays about 26.18, 26.24, 25 levels, if these 2 levels are taken, you can stay bullish. We can look forward to a move towards 26.32, 26.40 levels as the next targets. Right now, you should notice that the moving average is crossing over here. Definitely is a bearish sign, and this crossover has appeared after a long time. The stochastic rising, MACD has also hit the lows, trying to cross over for the buying. RSI showing a little up move. Coming to 4. Now on the 4-hour charts, look at these 4 candles. How strong is the support it has created? How strong is the base it has created at 26.05 levels? And that is why I say, yesterday also I have mentioned this 26.0502 is going to be the support zone. And what has happened? It is just reversed from 26.05 itself. In fact, 26.06 itself has proven out to be greater. If you track the movement right now, you will find a strong support is created, and hence chances of a little pullback exist, and there are definitely greater resistances available, first till towards 26.30, then towards 26.40. Till here it's fine, there are greater resistances, possibility of a retracement exists, but it does not mean that it has turned bullish. Why it does not mean that it has turned bullish? If you track the movement, the drop here, the retracement, this is this first leg, the drop here, this could lead to a retracement. This is going to be the second leg of movement here, which means a possible movement towards this zone can be seen. But then Only and only if it breaks past this flag formation, you should treat this as bullish. Very clear. Stochastic rising, MACD right now delivering the second wave. It should cross over for a buying entry, but right now it is just converging. RSI very near to the bottom. Coming to daily. Now, before we move on to daily charts, if you want to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel. We trade diverse instruments, including multiple indices and commodities in one single channel. You can also connect with me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. It is very important to have a broker with global presence which is regulated across globe and which offers you a safer environment for you to trade. You can find the recommended broker link in the channel and video description. Now look at the daily charts. What has happened here? Just observe these three candles with higher lows, and this suggests definitely it is a zone of consolidation. First thing is it has to break beyond 26, 24, 25 zone or 24, 26 zone. Once it breaks this zone, then you can say that it may try to keep moving towards 26, 32, 40 zone, the next target levels. What has happened here? Series of bearish candles, diminishing bearishness since last 2 days. The possibility of a retracement increases. Second thing here to note is gold is trading in this channel here. It has hit the top and the bottom here. Now this is the time for it to start reversing. Possibility exists strong. Stochastic oversold. But if you look at the MACD, first wave, second wave, third wave, and this third wave is almost on the verge of completion here. So today's candle is going to be the decision maker, because if it breaks out here, it is going to be a massive drop which can in fact take the prices towards 2580 or lower levels. RSI has dropped. So looking at this, I will recommend you to buy here at 2618 levels. Expect it to keep moving towards 26, 22, 24 first target zone, 26, 30, 32 the second target zone, and then if it breaks this, I will expect it to keep moving towards 2640 levels. Intermittent resistance at 2636.5 should be there, but 2640 should be the ideally stronger resistance which it would try to break past by. Beyond 2640 is where the bulls are waiting. I will expect, see, 2644 also one of the resistances, but I will wait for it to break past by 2651.5, 54 levels, the next resistance zone, and then beyond that sky is the limit. I do not see it delivering such a strong move, but yes, these are markets. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 2604 levels, where you can expect it to keep moving towards 2598, 25 or 2600, the first target levels. Then the second one will appear at 2591, and the third one is at 2580, 82.5 levels. These are going to be the targets. Any drop below 2580 is a sign that gold is going to crash towards 2550 levels very, very, very soon. Take your trades accordingly. Let's have a look at silver. Silver on the hourly chart, similar is the observation after the drop, sideways movement. See, it is taking the resistance, or it is getting the resistance from the 20 period moving average. Very, very important for silver to trade above 3080 zone. Only and only if it breaks beyond 3080, we can say the move now is going to be towards 31, 3125, and in fact 3150. If these three levels are taken, that is 31, 3125, 3150, you can say now silver is else till 3150. I will treat this as retracement, and it can reverse any point of time till then. Stochastic has dropped, MACD is rising on the hourly charts, and the RSI is also showing a modest rise. On the 2-hour charts, if you look at, after the drop, it is just consolidating. It is retraced towards 20 period moving average. Now it is very, very important for it to trade about 20 period moving average, which will be a signal of further bullishness. Only buying entry now is about 3080. That is very, very clear. Stochastic rising, MACD rising, RSI trading comfortable near to the bottom though. Coming to 3-hour charts. Now see the 3-hour charts here. What has happened here? One bullish candle retracement, then a swing candle, then the retracement, then a drop here, and now trying to bounce back. Now wait for the second one, because see, one bullish candle retracement, then again a greener one, and the second one is going to be important. If it stays above 3080 and 31, you can say that the bulls are back. else it is right now trading bearish. Moving average is crossing over here itself is a sign of bearishness. The prices are divergent here. It can keep a move, or it can show you a move towards this zone, towards 31.2025, or in fact 31.50, but I will still not treat silver as bullish till then. The stochastic flat, MACD has hit a lows. It is willing to cross over for a little retracement. RSI is also showing a little rise. And on the 4 hour, the observation is more or less same. Consolidation going on here. It has to come out of this consolidation zone. Higher lows are seen, lower highs are seen. Now, on the downside, see the levels here at 30.30, 30.20 are going to remain the critical decision factor today. Any break below 30.20 should take the prices towards 30, and below 30 we will look forward to 29.75, 29.50 levels as well. Possibility exists is strong. Stochastic though is rising, and the MACD has hit a lows. Possibility of a little rise exists here after the crossover, and the RSI trading at bottom. When you see the daily, on the daily charts, see diminishing bullishness for the last three candles, and yesterday's candle was of importance because see it has delivered higher lows and a very small body, and thus once you see silver trading above 30.80, we can see a move towards 31, 31.25, and in fact 31, 40, 50 levels here. If you look at the movement on the daily charts, I have shared yesterday as well, and again I am sharing. Look at the formation here: rise, retracement, rise, retracement. Now if you connect the dots here, you will find precisely it is right now confining its movement within this channel. So both silver and gold are at the bottom of this channel. Now one thing is it breaks out here and continues the downtrend. Second thing is keep moving towards the top of the channel. So today is going to be the day where it is going to take the direction whichever it is. Stochastic oversold. Look at the MACD crossing over at the top, still trading with divergence. Increasing candle size suggests that still there is bearishness here. But if you look at the formation first wave, second wave, this is almost done, and a crossover from here cannot be denied. RSI has dropped as well. So looking at this, very simple. Buy at 30.80. In fact, you can buy here at 30.65 itself, but then this is going to be slightly risky as long as it stays below 30.80. Only slight bullishness is seen if it breaks beyond 30.80, where we can expect 31 as the first target, 31.25 as the next, and then 31.40.50 should appear as the third target. Beyond that, sky is the limit. We can see a move towards 31.80, $32 levels. While on the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 35 levels, below which you can expect 30.15, 30.20, and $30 levels. If it breaks 30.20 and $30 levels, just stay short. We are looking forward to a greater down move. Trade accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and do join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Do not miss to watch the next update before the US session, before the CPI data release. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.